This is the 2015 SSR SR110DX model. This is a little different than the regular SR110. Basically same bike. Got a different seat on it. It's got the 125 style seat, so it's more flat. It's got the billet, gas cap, aluminum gas cap there. Also has a handlebar riser and has aluminum skid plate and chrome exhaust on it. This is the orange model. I also have a neon green one left in stock. Disc brakes, got a rear adjustable shock on it. Fuel shut off. There's the choke down there. Fire it up here quick for you. These models are $749.99. All come with factory warranty. So I got two models, orange and neon green left.